The previous video we've shown you how to download the app and to sign in. In this video we'll show you how to clear the jobs using the SolBox app and the little tips that'll mean you followed the process correctly. So I'm going to tap on the icon and show that we've logged in. To refresh, to make sure you've got the current information, just grab the screen and pull down till you see that wheel. That tells you that you've refreshed and got the current information for the day. Remember to log out. Top right hand side you've got the cog. Tap on that and you can log out if you hit the word log out. And remember, you must have Google Maps downloaded in your phone for your navigation. So let's go back and follow the sequence of jobs. I'm going to action run 355 at the bottom here. I'm recording this on the 4th of February and you can see there's 8 jobs on the screen. I'll tap on the little arrow on the right hand side to open it and you can see all of the jobs. So remember, the most critical point about using it is you must hit start when you are heading for this job. That is a critical step. The customer service gets a notification that we're on the way and that reassures them that we're coming, which means they don't call us. So I can start the job by either hitting start here, or I can tap on the body of the job and I can go into the job and I can hit start from in here. So it doesn't actually matter. But for the purpose of the exercise, I'll hit start on the outside. Then I'll tap on the job to view the details and process the job. So these are the things that we need to know. We know where we're heading. If I tap the map icon, it'll start mapping a course. Now, I'm up here in Queensland, so obviously it's a very long drive, so I won't be doing much of the presentation with that. When you're finished and you've got to your destination, crash back out of it, go straight back into the job, and you'll be there at the destination. All right, so you can see the options: photo, signature, comments. I'll tap on the photo icon and I'll take a photograph. Now these are a high definition photo, so they can take a bit of time to upload to the server, but it is what it is. It's a very good quality image. So just a point on photographs, just want you all to remember that every photograph you take, every note and everything you enter, the customer will see. So be very aware of appropriate use of photographs, the things you can photograph and things you can't. So you want to make sure that the things you're photographing are things that are appropriate to the job. Try to avoid photographing members of staff and things that are viewed as private. It may not be viewed as appropriate. Signature, the customer may sign themselves. You can change that signature and write COVID and things like that. Comment, I'll just put in the word test for a comment, and that's done. Now the most important part, as far as we're concerned, is the load configuration. Now when you tap on load configuration, that accesses the screen to show you the menu of everything we can do for a customer on site. So for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to do 10 and 10. 10 clean dropped off. 10 picked up. Now make sure you're certain of that, because once you've gone in and put that in, you can't modify it. To sign the job off, you don't have to action the cash received, but it needs a name. Let's say I deal with Terry, or I could just write left on dock, but it'll require a name there or a note of some kind. I'll then hit finish. It'll ask me if I want to finish the job. The job will then disappear. And as you can see, it's gone back to the main screen. The bar at the top is green, which tells you it's done. We obviously then go to the next job, push start because we're heading for it. When we press start on this one, the customer gets told we're on the way. So we'll go into the body of the job and we'll do the same things. I won't use the mapping feature on this one because I don't need to. I'll take a photograph and use it. And I'll just say one more time, remembering the photographs that you take, make sure they're appropriate. So we can put a signature in, we can clear it. Confirm. Put in a note of some kind if you wish to. And remember, these are all things the customer will see. And the all-important things you did on site. So I'm going to put in 10 and 10. And remember, these numbers will go to the customer on the paperwork when you finish this job. So it must be an accurate reflection of what we did on site. Going to put in the name of Bill. Close it off. And that's it. So we just keep following the bouncing ball, remembering the very important steps. Mark it started when you're heading for it. Make sure you enter the correct item count and put at least a name for the proof of delivery, and you've done your job. All right, thanks everybody.